And then he was like, yo, Blues cheated on him from Blue's Clues. So I was like, no, right? Tell me how fucking the plumber.
I'm lost. I'm sorry, I'm so lost.
Nigga, I just started. What the fuck?
Let's just talk about the story.
Fuck, no, I like my story. This is my story. This is the real story. Yoshi hit me up.
Yoshi and Blue's.
Listen. Blue's like, right? So I was there sitting there like, what the fuck is going on? So fucking Bob the Builder will come out of nowhere with his fucking hammer and starts trying to pop off shit, right? So fucking
No way.
yeah, yo, I was pissed. I was pissed. So tell me out of nowhere, right? I don't know how to fuck
Can I
Tinkerbell
put my hair
got
up?
this shit. Yeah.
That bitch, yo.
That fucking bitch fucking flopping around and shit, right?
It's just a smut, yo.
So
I want
King
fucking
Tut,
pussy though.
King Tut came out his fucking grave. Nigga, I don't know, that nigga fucking wild. Nigga, King Tut came out of nowhere and he got to it. So then niggas started singing Trapped in the Closet. Nigga said, but I'm about 3 floors up, but I don't give a fuck. And I was like, what the fuck is going on up here? So then like nigga went to jump out the window and shit, forgot that Yoshi can fly. So then somehow Super Mario wanna come out of nowhere after one of them two. I was like, what the fuck is going on? Niggas popping out of nowhere and then that's how they made Super Smash Brothers.
Where you getting this from?
I don't know, you should just tell the real story.
I'm saying it back.
I wish the real story was exciting. As
I
that,
know,
man. It's just-
yeah.
We gotta do your back.
The real story was we walked around. Fuck it, alright.
That's all we did.